Are you one of those people who do not like to use thick, rich body butters in the summertime? Is it because of how heavy and how greasy or oily they may feel? Well, then this video's for you. I have learned that applying body butters, there is a trick to that. You don't want to completely dry your skin to apply your body butter. Unfortunately, if you do it this way, it'll sit on the top of your skin and it'll take longer to hydrate, moisturize, and nourish. You want to gently pat dry your skin. Not to the point where it's completely, this will defeat the purpose. When applying your body butter, take a very, kind of like a pea-sized amount. While your skin is still damp, you want to gently If you want to use your body, then you want to repeat this step on the other parts of your body. You want to try to get your driest areas. This will be your elbows, heels of your feet, your knees, and maybe the lower part of your back. That way you've gotten all the other drier areas. And if you need to grab a little bit more into your entire body, now a lot of you purchase, this is not recommended if you would moisturize your entire body. However, don't forget to try our other body lotions such as, now don't forget the 4-ounce, the peach triple. Instead, try this. Take a warm bath or shower, but be careful with your water temps, as you know, with eczema or the like conditions. I myself, as well as other customers, have been able to moisturize quite a large area with the 1-ounce samples. But don't worry, we right now have our 4-ounce triple whip body butter in the peach scent currently on sale. If you don't want to deal with the butters, we also have the 4-ounce body lotions in the same scent.